If you are a freelancer or a small agency owner, let me guess. You have landed a big client, scoped the project, even celebrate a little. But then reality hits. How I am going to actually build this? The client's platform does not match mine. I don't have a full dev team, and what about maintenance after launch? Sound familiar? Yes, it's like getting handed a luxury car with no fuel, no GPS, and no mechanic. Well, what if I told you there is a way to deliver full website, smooth and stress-free, while staying invisible to your clients and without hiring a full team? Stick around, I'm going to show you exactly how. Hey, I'm Mansif, co-founder of Victorflow. We work with Webflow Framer and WordPress, but more importantly, we work behind the scenes with agencies and freelancers to help them scale their client website deliver without scaling the stress and hiring an in-house team. In this video, I will show you how we help freelancers and agencies deliver full websites smoothly even if client tools don't match yours. Handle all those annoying post-launch updates and fixes. Scale your delivery without hiring a full-time team. Keep everything white-labeled so your client thinks it's all you. Stick around. By end of this video, you will know exactly how to deliver projects stress-free, make clients happy, and finally stop juggling tools, tasks, and freelancers all at once. So here is a little story. About a year ago, a UK agency reached out on LinkedIn. They had this huge client project, but their team could not handle the platform mismatch, dev work, and ongoing maintenance. They said, we just need someone reliable who can build and manage this quietly in the background. And that's when it clicked. We realized the agencies and freelancers don't just need freelancers. They need a white label partner who quietly gets things done. And that's how this service was born. Alright, let me show you exactly how our white label website partner works step by step. Super simple. First, kickoff call. First, you book a call with us. On this call, we review your client, the tricky features, and full project scope. By the end, we have a clear workflow, the right experts assigned, and a timeline you can rely on. The second step is project scope and platform alignment. Next, we make sure the client's platform matches the project. Webflow Framer, WordPress, we handle it all. We decide upfront what's included. Landing pages, CMS, forms, SEO, integrations. Everything is clearly mapped, so there are no surprise later. Step 3. Design to dev handoff. You send us your Figma sketch or even a rough layout. Our designers prepare everything for development. Then our developers build a clean, responsive, production-ready website. Everything is optimized for speed, mobile, SEO, and conversions. No bloated animations, no clunky frameworks, just smooth, polished results. Step 4. QA and pre-launch testing. Before your client ever sees it, we test everything. Different devices, browsers, CMS workflows, forms, integrations, you name it. And the result, a polished, perfect website that makes your client look amazing and you look like a hero. Step 5. Monthly white labeled maintenance. After the site goes live, we don't disappear. We handle UI tweaks, pages updates, CMS changes, blog uploads, form fixes, tech audits, and everything to keep the site running smoothly. If updates are occasional, our flexible hourly package never expires. You can use it anytime you want. Step 6. Flexible era. Got the tight deadline? Priority support starts your task the next business day. Need a motion design or copywriting? Add it. Big project, extra designers or developers can join the team. Want a better SEO or CRO results? Done. Step 7. Multi-platform and multi-role support. You got one team that does it all. Designers, developers, content managers, and SEO experts. You stay client-facing, we stay invisible behind the scenes, making you look like a full-stack superstar. Step 8. Transparent pricing and reporting. And here is the best part. Pricing and updates that actually make sense. You get flat rate bills, monthly retainers, or custom project plans. Whatever fits your workflow. No surprise hourly charges, no endless back and forth emails. Every month we send you a clear report showing exactly what we have done. You stay in control. Your clients think you have got a full in-house team, and honestly, you get to relax a little. Here is the thing. We know the struggle. You have got clients, deadlines, designs, and a platform that does not match yours. You are trying to juggle everything, and sometimes it feels like you are building a spaceship without instructions. That's exactly why we build this. We step in as your invisible partner. Think of us like your secret superpower. You stay a client-facing hero. We quietly handle all the messy stuff. Development, tweaks, blog updates, tech fixes, SEO, so your client never knows we exist. You get to focus on strategy, design, or your next big client without losing sleep over updates or platform mismatches. Basically, we are the safety net you wish you had. You keep the credit, the client thinks you have got a full team, and everything just works behind the scenes. So there you have it, your invisible website partner. partner. No platform headaches, no late night bug fixes, no juggling freelancers. Just smooth, polished websites that make your clients happy and keep you looking like a full stack rockstar. If you are done stressing over projects, mismatched tools, or client updates, it's time to take the next step. Hit the link in the description, book a quick call, and let's see how we can help you scale your delivery without hiring a full-time team. Don't wait. Every day you spend juggling updates is a day you could be landing your next client or growing your agency. Let's make your life easier and your clients even happier.